And now super slow, slowing it down, bringing it to the heart. In la cage, alone, in la cage, alakin. Finishing on three alakins. King, Allah, King. Last time. Allah, King. Yeah.
That was fun.
How'd that feel for you?
Great. I loved it. That was really, oh, I feel like teary.
It's beautiful. Aw, you're so cute. You're so sweet. I love you. Aw, it's beautiful. You got this. Just believe in yourself more. You have such an amazing voice. Yeah, I'm so proud of you. Oh, making me
No,
want to
it's just like
cry.
it's so pleasurable, especially when you're like singing around. It's so beautiful.
Oh, me too. Oh, I love you.
No, it's really an honor. It's an honor to hear your voice, like around my voice. There's something really, I don't know, profound about that for me.
I'm so proud of you. Like, the moment I saw your video, you really have what it takes. You have everything inside of you. Your intellect, your emotional, everything, your voice, your sound. It's just a matter of really getting out of your own way and just trusting yourself. Anytime that thought comes like, oh, this is too much, I can't do it, just be like, it's a little intimidating and scary, but I can do it when I put my mind to it. Because you can, and you are, and you got it. It's so beautiful to witness.
Thank you.
Mm.
Yes. Feels like a chain of like, I don't know, feminine activation or something. And it's like, it's really just an honor, like, that to be in your space. Like, that's all I can say.